Okay guys, so how to verify your Discord account with Bubblegum Simulator Infinite. It's a very simple step-by-step process. You can actually just do it within 30 seconds. And into this video, we'll be actually explaining to you how you can verify your own Discord with Bubblegum Simulator right now. So first of all, if you do want the season pass, you can actually get the season pass completely for free. I'll be giving away this season pass to you guys if you comment down below Bubbler. Okay, Bubbler, just comment down below Bubbler, because if you comment down below Bubbler, I'll be choosing one of you guys to actually receive this season pass in Bubblegum Simulator, the first season. Okay, the first season only. And it is the premium pass, so you can actually get the solar legendary pet by completing the pass. So how you can actually verify your Discord account on Bubblegum Simulator Infinite right now is actually click on codes, and you can see that you can follow for the codes. But in this menu you can pretty much verify your Discord account, and pretty much it is very easy to do so. It is going to look like exactly like this, and just click on verify and it automatically will ask you for your credentials when you fill them in, and you'll be verified within no time.